Welcome, LinkedIn members, entrepreneurs and dreamers. Today marks the beginning of a transformative journey with Master Affiliate Profits, MAP. A platform that redefines the ease of making money online. Imagine a platform where enrolling is as simple as it gets, offering you a comprehensive training course, valued at over $600, absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. With MAP, your path to financial success starts without spending a dime. In a moment I'm going to spill the beans about gaining free access to unlimited viral traffic from YouTube. Now I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to generate double revenue streams with Master Affiliate Profits. From the moment you introduce someone to MAP, our professional team takes the reins. We handle all the marketing, nurturing your leads and guiding them through every step, and we do all the follow-up for you for 90 days. This means, from day one, you're set up for success without the usual marketing hassles. MAP ensures that every level of membership is rewarding. Let's break down the membership tiers and what they offer. Free membership. Enjoy earning a solid 25% commission on any purchases made by your enrolled members. Silver membership. At just $37 per month, elevate your earnings to 40% commissions. Gold membership. For $67 per month, you're looking at a generous 50% commission rate. Platinum membership. This is where things get exciting. For $97 per month, not only do you earn a whopping 75% commission, but you also receive Tier 2 commissions of 25%. Plus, you get the exclusive benefit of done-for-you, targeted traffic. Platinum members. Here's a simple equation for profitability. Enroll just 2 Platinum members, and you're already in the green. And remember, this doesn't even count the commissions from free, silver, and gold members, nor the Tier 2 sales commissions. But that's not all. As a member of Master Affiliate Profits, you're not just earning through our products. You have the unique opportunity to market your own products to the members you enroll. That's right. With our integrated private autoresponder, you can directly reach out to your growing member list, offering them your products, goods, or services. This is where MAP truly shines, offering you not one, but 2 revenue streams. While our team does 100% of the marketing for MAP products, you're free to focus on promoting your own offerings. Imagine the potential here. Earning from Master Affiliate Profits sales and your personal products simultaneously. Let's talk about what this means in numbers. Think about how free targeted traffic will help you get to this income faster and with less effort. With just 10 personally enrolled Platinum members, you're looking at $727.50 per month in recurring income. Scale that to 100 Platinum members, and that's an impressive $7,275 monthly. And remember, this is without counting the additional earnings from free, silver, gold, and Tier 2 commissions, nor from your own product sales. For those of you considering paid traffic sources like Google, Bing, or Facebook, here's a pro tip. The commissions from Master Affiliate Profits can offset your lead acquisition costs. This strategy not only builds your MAP network but also attracts leads for your own products, making your marketing efforts more cost-effective. Master Affiliate Profits is a revolutionary cost-effective automated online marketing platform that helps you build multiple income streams simultaneously. Now, if you're not yet enrolled, what are you waiting for? As a free member, you'll gain access to the benefits and insights of the MAP platform. Enrolling is your first step to unlocking these incredible opportunities. This is your chance to make a strong, positive impression on your new members and set the tone for their journey with MAP. By completing all 10 segments of the Master Affiliate Profits Review video course, and enrolling with AWeber with Dori O'Neill, you'll be entitled to receive Dori's YouTube Viral Funnel Bonus, valued at over $5,000, absolutely free. This bonus is a game changer, providing you with the tools to generate unlimited YouTube viral traffic, not just for MAP but for any product you choose to market. This includes physical products, online coaching and more. Imagine the endless possibilities and the exponential growth potential this could bring to your business. Over the next 10 days, we'll dive deeper into what Master Affiliate Profits has to offer, covering everything from advanced strategies to insider tips. Each segment brings you closer to realizing the full potential of your online marketing journey. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment below to join our community of successful marketers. Engage with each video to maximize your learning and get ready to harness the power of the YouTube viral funnel. Remember, Master Affiliate Profits is not just a platform, it's a gateway to financial freedom and success. Your journey to a dual revenue stream, powered by our dedicated marketing and your entrepreneurial spirit, starts here. With the added leverage of Dori O'Neill's bonus, the sky's the limit for generating traffic, leads, life-changing income. You deserve nothing less than the best. Take action, don't wait, join today. So, enroll today, get the most out of this 10-day training, and start building your empire with Master Affiliate Profits. See you in the next video, where we'll continue to unlock the secrets to creating a successful online business.